Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a WhatsApp chat button to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. This is the homepage of my website on Hostinger Website Builder. And to add a WhatsApp live chat button, go to Website Settings, then Integrations. Look for WhatsApp, click on Connect to open more details, and here fill in your phone number including your country code. You can edit your default message, for example, welcome to Ben's shop. Click on save changes and don't forget to update your website. Let's view our site live. As you can see, in the first try it was not showing. After changing my Google Chrome profile, I visited my website and my WhatsApp button is showing successfully. And this is how to add a WhatsApp button to Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.